Hi friends, to make this mixed okra recipe, I'll be needing scotch bonnet roughly blended and pouring my palm oil in boiling hot water, and I'll be adding my blended pepper, which is my scotch bonnet. I'll allow this to boil a little and I'll add protein of choice. Here I have cow skin, aka pomo. I'll be adding fish and stockfish and every other protein of choice. The next thing will be to add my thoroughly washed locust beans. Locust beans, can you really do without adding locust beans to okra? It gives it that traditional smell. I'll be going into dice my washed okra in my food processor. I usually use food processor to make life easy. The next will be to add my fish. I'm adding my fish almost last so it doesn't break into the water. I really still want my fish so I can show it. The seasoning for this will be Maggi and salt, and I'll allow to cook. The next thing I'll be going in with my crayfish. I have different sizes there, the jumbo and the small sizes. And then I'll be mixing my water thoroughly. And then I would go in with my chopped okra. You'd say I have different sizes of the okra, a bit chopped, finely chopped, and you can still see some bigger size just to make it chewy. And then our okra is done. I would mix together thoroughly to ensure the oil is well combined into the okra. And voila, serve with any solid of choice. I'll be having this with eba, which is my favorite food, eba and mixed okra. Please do good to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know if you loved this video, if there will be anything else you'd like me to share recipe wise. And thank you for watching. Bye and see you next time.